What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we're gonna do something a little bit scary. Some of you may have heard about the thing called a valve spring failure or valve spring malfunction on the 2012 and 2013 year of the FRS. So today we are going to see if my FRS has that problem. I found this guy's video, I'll put it up on the screen right now, and he kindly listed the VIN numbers on the bottom, like the production numbers of the cars that do have the valve spring failure, and I believe it was like 2,000 to like 31,000 something. So there's over 29,000 cars that have these valve spring problems before they decided to fix it. I really hope that my car is not one of them. So today I'm going to show you how to check on your FRS, and we're going to go run a couple errands and hopefully find out the FRS doesn't have it, or sadly if it does, we're going to have to figure out what to do next. So we may have to sell it, we may keep it. So now we're gonna go out, check. I'll show you where the VIN number is on the FRS. It's not in the normal spot. And then we're gonna go run a couple errands and then come back and see if we have to sell the FRS. So here we go. All right, so we parked here out front because we just got back from school. Please ignore the sounds of construction and everything. We've got a lot of stuff going on, but here is the 2013 FRS, my little baby, and usually the VIN number for cars is up here somewhere, but oh, it's actually right there too. It's right there, and if you look inside the driver's side door, there is a black thing right here, and it says the VIN of your car. Now, I don't know what kind of information the VIN is going to reveal, so I'm not going to show you guys too close, but we'll take a picture of that real quick and figure that out later. There's a link in the description of the website to check what production number your car is, and also has a lot of other information about the car. But now we gotta go run some errands, so let's fire the bad boy up and we're gonna go talk about the wrap for the FRS. I know, it's exciting. Let's do it. All right guys, while we drive, I guess I'll run this past you guys. I don't know how to go about this. I don't know if I should just buy the Pan Am V3 wide body kit at the end of the year so we can start the year with a new look, a new wrap, and new wheels, or if I should wait and make it a 20,000 sub special, because that's like a pretty big milestone for me as well. And if I could hit that and then buy all the other stuff that I need, I think it'd give me a little bit more time so I'm not super broke whenever I buy it. But I'd like to know what you guys think. We're only 3,000 away, I think, from 20K. So I don't know, it could happen in the next couple months. We're almost at 17K. I think we need like 80 more right now. So if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. It is free, and yeah, it's gonna help me a lot get to these goals I want to do faster. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe and let me know, should I wait for 20K or should I buy it at the end of the year? Leave a comment, baby. Hopefully I don't crash. Also guys, if you haven't followed my Instagram, I'll pop it up one more time. Make sure you do that, because my followers and subscribers are picking how this build is going to go. I've been posting polls every day for the past couple days now, and you guys have picked the other color you want for the wrap, which will be a secret to the people for YouTube, but the guys on Instagram will know first. So I did a poll for a hood today. I'm going to try to figure out how to do it on YouTube as well, so you guys that don't follow Instagram or don't have Instagram, you can participate in the polls as well. So just wanted to throw that out there. If you guys want to help pick what parts I should get for the end of the build, go ahead and follow my Instagram or stay tuned for the polls on YouTube. Check it out, boys. I know I said I wanted HREs, but H-Town, hold it down. Should I get swangers for the FRS? Screw the wrap, screw the cool wheels, get swangers and candy paint this bad boy and look like that. Legend right there. Junior Philippe 1 is his plate. That is awesome. Sadly, he's going left and we're going right. Say goodbye to the living legend. But if you want to see swangers on the FRS, leave a comment, baby. All right, boys, we have arrived to H-Tex Customs. It's right around the corner. I may bring you in, I may not. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm gonna try to get us a little tour around the shop, see what they got going on.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys, well, that meeting was very, very exciting. We are gonna plan something sick for y'all. So, of course, I have to get the wide body first before I wrap the car, because that'd just be dumb if I wrapped it, got the wide body, and then had to unwrap it and wrap it again. But I don't got the Stradman money, so I can't do that. So, we have planned out the design. Once I get the kit and everything gets rolling again, we're gonna have a designer professionally draw this thing up, make sure it all fits, and then hopefully, I'm gonna say by February, March, we'll have the wrap on the Rocket Bunny FRS. I can't believe I'm saying that, but good things are coming, boys. Stay tuned. So right now, we are going to get some lunch because your boy is absolutely starving, and then we'll check if I have to sell this thing because I don't want to do all this planning and then have to sell it later. So fingers crossed, boys. Let's eat some Chick-fil-A. Here comes one of the coolest, cleanest Mustangs in Houston, boys. 5-Point Tampico. He goes to my school. I'm trying to be bagged and cool like him, but it's gonna take a while. There's just something about this exhaust that it comes alive when you're in the sport mode. I can only imagine what it's like if we had a manual car, but these downshifts are crazy. Listen to this. Just the pops. I don't even know if you can hear that on camera, but it's like boom, 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 boom. Now we're just gonna cruise around through first gear, and there it is, boys. Chick-fil-A. Time to eat. Alright guys, so I got the VIN. Now we're gonna head on inside, look it up on the computer. There's like a little software thing that Toyota gives us to check the VIN numbers, since that thing's pretty much a Toyota. So let's pray to God. I also forgot these were coming in today. We got some new shoes, boys. Let's unbox these bad boys real quick before we head upstairs. All right, 3, 2, 1, open the box. Oh! Oh, more? Ooh. Peel that last one back. Oh, that's just wrapped around that shoe. We got some heat in the house, boys. The new Cactus Jack 6s, I believe they are. I won these the other day, and they're going right out the door. I'm selling these bad boys, but pretty cool to have. I don't know. Let me know if any of you guys want them, if they're still available. The video's going up today. It's the same day, so let's see. If you want them, comment. I'll sell them to you. Like 700 bucks. They're yours. Okie dokie guys, we are home on the computer and we are ready to check if my number is one of the unlucky ones that gets the valve spring failure. So I'm putting his channel up on the thing. He has 713 subscribers and I'm looking, his name is Tyler Tran, and it says that the affected VIN numbers bracket for Toyota is 2028 all the way through 31,176. And for Subaru, it's 2002 to 10,144. I'll also put that up on the screen so you guys can check and I believe the website you need to check out is www.toyota.com/recall, and I guess that's who you contact if you need help with this. But the one that also is linked down there was like parts.olathethoyota.com, and all you have to do is put in your VIN, which I've done already, and it gives you a whole lot of information that I didn't even know about the car. So I don't think this gives any crazy personal information, so I'm just going to put it up on the screen and we're going to read it together. So here we go. My base vehicle data, it's a 2013 Scion FRS. Trim level was 6AT, which I don't know what that means. Manufactured in Japan, and the production sequence number is 716,438. That is right, we are safe, boys. I had no clue they made that many FRSs to begin with, and as early as 2013. I hope that's right, and I trust it because it's on Toyota's website. Apparently, my car is one of 716,000 in there. That is crazy. I guess I do see a lot of them driving around everywhere. I saw them everywhere in California, and there's a whole lot of people that have them on YouTube and everything, so it's a great car, so I can imagine that a lot of people would want to buy it. And that may be like partnered with Subaru as well, not exactly sure, but 716,438. My body style is coupe two-door, the engine 2-liter H4 16V. I don't know what that means. It's a 6-speed auto, rear-wheel drive. This is pretty interesting too. It has a 13-gallon and 20-ounce, I guess, tank, which is pretty cool. Now I know how much is empty on my car. Fuel economy 25 in the city and 34 on the highway, which I don't really believe that because I run through a lot of gas these days. Anti-brake system, 4-wheel ABS, steering type RNP, don't know what that means. Other than that, I think we're good to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are not having to sell the FRS anytime soon, and even if we did have this problem, I would probably keep the car, save up, and like LS swap it or 2JZ swap it, which still may be coming down the line. But for now, I'm riding this engine out, the Boxer engine, until it blows up on me. So I'm very happy we can proceed with the wrap, the build, the wide body, and the wheels, everything we need to do. And the journey to SEMA starts now, boys. I picked up a lot of shifts this weekend. We're going to power through, suffer, work all weekend long, hopefully make some money, stash it away. I just sold those shoes, were like $500, y'all saw, stashing that away. It's all going towards the build, guys. So if you guys want to help at all, there's always a PayPal link in the top of the description. It just makes it go faster. And if you can't donate, just watching the videos always helps. Liking the videos, sharing with your friends, and commenting all help the video get pushed out to more people, which means more money coming in to go to the build. So I just want to give you guys a little like thought for the day. If we got a 1 million view video, that's $4 grand. And $4 grand pays off the kit. So send this to 1 million of your closest friends, get this to 1 million views, and we can buy our kit tomorrow if it does. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions about checking the VIN on your car, if I did it wrong, if you know something, if this 716,000 is a made up number that Toyota's giving me and mine's actually affected, please let me know. I think I'm cool, but if you guys know more than me, feel free to leave a comment. A lot of you guys know a lot more stuff than I do, so it really helps. So with that being said, if you liked the video, please smash that like button. If you're excited for the future of the build, also smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you in the next video.